In this lesson, we'll discuss managing supplemental structure and rules using 9ADFdi integration. Our objectives for this section are as follows. After completing this lesson, you should be able to do the following. Explain how to manage supplemental structure and rules using ADF desktop integration with Microsoft Excel. Perform various actions on a selected set of multiple models in a single operation using 9ADFdi. Be able to describe the elements of 9ADFdi spreadsheets associated with a management task for supplemental structure. And perform rule management actions using 9ADFdi. Let's get started. This section describes an overview of 9ADFdi integration and discusses some prerequisites that you need to follow before you begin supplemental structure management and rule management task. Application Development Framework Desktop Integration, more commonly referred to as 9ADFdi, is an integrated process that allows you to use Microsoft Excel to maintain a common supplemental structure across multiple modes within a single operation. The process utilizes an offline spreadsheet outside of your cloud development environment. The feature allows you to create, as well as update, rules across multiple models and also download rules from one environment and upload to another. In this lesson, we will briefly cover concepts for configuring and using the function. To download the 3 template spreadsheets from the Configurator Models work area, perform the following task. On the Manage Models page, select Download Spreadsheet for managing model structure from the Actions menu. On the same page, select Download Spreadsheet for managing cross-model structure from the Action menu. Finally, from that same page, select Download Spreadsheet for managing item snapshots from the Action menu. In this section, we'll discuss how you can manage supplemental structure using 9ADFdi. This slide discusses supplemental structure management actions. Using 9ADFdi, you can take advantage of performing multiple actions on a selected set of models at one time. This allows you to manage functions such as creating an option feature and its options, associate supplemental attributes and their value to an option feature and its options, manage the date effectivity of attribute values from item snapshots, add new options to an existing option feature, and associate existing supplemental attributes and their values to an existing option feature. Continuing from the previous slide, here are additional actions that can be leveraged using 9ADFdi. You can update option feature attributes in an existing option feature and option descriptions in existing options of that option feature. You can also update existing supplemental attribute values and associate them with the options of an option feature. The feature also allows you to delete existing option features and their options. You can remove supplemental attributes and their values associated with the options of an option feature. You can also create, update, or delete option features and their individual options for multiple models. And it's also a handy tool for migrating option features from one environment to another environment. This slide lists the types of supplemental structure nodes that can be managed using 9ADFdi. They include Boolean features, decimal features, integer features, text features, and option features and its options. Configurator Cloud is delivered with 3 9ADFdi spreadsheets, each designed to be used with a specific management task and its corresponding elements. Here are the 3 spreadsheets and their functions. Manage supplemental structure. This supports a single model download and upload process, and the ability to create, update, or delete a supplemental structure. The second type is Manage Cross-Model Option feature. With this, you can perform a cross-model upload of a common structure, including create, update, and delete actions. You can also associate or remove supplemental attributes and values to common structure. And the third type is Manage Item Snapshots Attribute Association. With this format, you can associate, update, or remove supplemental attributes and values to item snapshots. Building on the previous page, the next set of slides further describe the available spreadsheets. The tables that are shown contain 2 columns. The first column lists the elements that are available in the spreadsheet, and the second column provides a brief description of what the elements manage. For reference, the current table displays information describing the location for downloading the Managed Supplemental Model Structure spreadsheet. It also highlights the spreadsheet's name, tabs, and available columns for data input. Here, we see the same type of information listed for the second spreadsheet, Manage Cross-Model Supplemental Structure. Again, note the available elements and their description. For reference, this table shows further descriptions of the attributes that are managed using the downloaded Managed Supplemental Structure spreadsheet, which was highlighted here, downloading the spreadsheet named Manage Supplemental Attributes and Values of Snapshots. Additional descriptions for the spreadsheet's functions are, and finally, additional descriptions including data type attributes are shown for the Manage Supplemental Attributes and Values of Snapshot spreadsheet, which was referenced on the previous slide. Or how you can manage supplemental structure using 9ADFdi functionality. This slide discusses operations you can perform while managing configurator rules. You can search for a draft model either by name across all workspaces or by the name of the workspace itself. You can create a rule by entering the rule details in the spreadsheet, then uploading. You can also update existing rules, data to an AFDI spreadsheet, make your changes, then upload back into the system. This tool can also be used for migrating rules by taking data from one environment or instances of the Configurator Models work area to another environment or instance. To review, we have covered the following concepts in